So let's say I had a box of chocolates, and in this box I had 4 chocolates with yellow wrappers on them, and I had 12 chocolates with green wrappers on them. Well, I can represent the ratio of yellow wrappers to green wrappers as 4 to 12. But now let's say that this ratio was simplified and I divided through by 4. That would give me the ratio 1 to 3. So for every chocolate with a yellow wrapper on it, I had 3 chocolates with a green wrapper on it. Now it would be very wrong of me to add up the sum total of parts of this ratio and to say, okay, we have 4 parts, which means I have 4 chocolates. Because I don't, I have 16 chocolates. So you can imagine that any ratio written in the form A full colon B, we can imagine an imaginary x, an imaginary variable right next to it. So we can say AX, BX. So in the case of 1 full colon 3 or 1 to 3, that can actually be written as 1x 3x or simply x 3x. And in this case, the x would equal 4. And of course that would fill in the missing information. Likewise, in the case of the original ratio that we're given, 4 to 12, that could be written as 4x 12x, in which the x in this case equals 1. So how does this translate into a question? Well, let's see. So let's say we're given a question that in a box of chocolates, the ratio of chocolates with yellow wrappers to the ratio of chocolates with green wrappers is 1 to 3. And we're told that there are 12 green chocolates. And we're asked to calculate the total amount of chocolates, So we can say that in our ratio of yellow to green, we have 1 to 3. And of course we can write 1 to 3 as 1x to 3x, or simply x to 3x. Now we know that there are 12 chocolates with green wrappers, but we're trying to find the total amount of chocolates, and so we need to find how many chocolates there are with yellow wrappers. That we do not know. So we see here that we have 3x equals 12. So we can say 3x equals 12, which means that x equals 4. So we know what x equals. So this part of our ratio with a question mark equals x, the same way as the 12 equals 3x. So we found what x equals, and that's 4. So now we have 4, 12. Now we can simply add both parts together, 4 plus 12, and we get 16 chocolates.